It's nearly impossible to get a holistic view of your business using spreadsheets for your budgeting, forecasting, and reporting. Poor visibility into your operations creates more risk and leaves you vulnerable to making decisions with incomplete data. To keep up with the growing amount of data used in finance every day, executives need a system that can cut down on manual labor and deliver critical information in real time. Here are the top 3 reasons why digital finance teams are choosing to replace Excel with a more modern solution, cloud FP&A software. Source system integration. Your company's source systems, particularly your GL, needs to integrate with your Excel models in order to achieve comprehensive planning. For example, a rolling forecast showing 3 months of actuals and 9 months of planning needs baseline data to pre-populate the model. Finance teams will often either enter data manually or create their own integration through VLOOKUPs or data dumps from their source systems. These methods are time-consuming and also increase the risk of errors. Cloud FP&A solutions generally provide the ability to integrate with several source systems, allowing data to flow seamlessly into budgets and reports. Data refreshes can be performed on demand, so executives have instant access to insights. RealTime Insights. Have you ever sat waiting for Excel workbooks to save or recalculate? Or waiting on a team member to input the data needed to complete the budget cycle? Tracking down information across a business is tedious, and no finance professional wants to be stuck waiting on others to complete their own work. With a cloud FP&A solution, calculations are done in real time through the model, regardless of the number of calculations or dependencies. Integrating with cloud FP&A software offers finance teams a performance boost for faster, more efficient reporting. A study by the American Productivity and Quality Center, APQC, found that time spent on planning cycles and the close process has been reduced by 70% and 50% respectively when finance teams implemented cloud FP&A software. Visibility and control. In larger organizations where many people are involved in the budgeting and forecasting process, it is challenging to see what changes are being made in real time. Visibility and control over your workbooks are crucial to increasing productivity. Say, for example, a number changed on the budget or forecast. In Excel, you'd have to scramble in various files and try to trace formulas to get to the source of the problem. Excel offers no way of seeing when the number was changed nor who changed it. The only visibility you have is a date and timestamp of when the entire worksheet was last updated. A cloud FP&A solution can track who made what change, when it was made, and what data was previously there. Most FP&A software stores a history of changes so you can look back to see prior versions. The solution also enables teams to lock versions to eliminate the risk of accidental or last-minute changes. With cloud FP&A software, you can discover more opportunities for better budgeting, forecasting, and reporting. Planning is accurate, flexible, and fast, giving finance teams the freedom to perform deeper analysis for strategic business decisions. This video gives a glimpse into the problems cloud FP&A software solves for finance teams still using Excel. If you would like to know the must-have features in a cloud FP&A vendor, check out our complete evaluation checklist on our site or reach out to our amazing team for guidance on how best to begin implementing cloud FP&A solutions. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think with a comment and be sure to like and subscribe.